Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've just been doing my evening routine and I thought before I apply this, I thought I would come on and tell you about it. So this is the Face Theory Retinol. I think they probably do a few retinols, but I picked this one. First of all, it was their best-selling one. And second of all, it had 2% retinol in, which I didn't think was too strong because I've never used retinol before. It's got vitamin C. I didn't realise you can use retinol and vitamin C together, but apparently you can. It's got dill in it, which is going to help regenerate the elastin in my skin, it says. And it also has licorice in it, which is going to calm sensitive or stressed skin. So I felt like it's quite a calming retinol to start with. So when I first started using it, a few weeks back, I was using it every day for about 3 days and my skin started to get a bit of a funny reaction. I just noticed straight away, probably nothing to anybody else. So I'm now using it. I started with once a week, built up to 2 times a week, and now I'm trying to use it 3 times a week. So I've done my skincare, I've cleansed it, I put my drops of youth essence on it, but I've let that sink in because I think with retinol, Caroline Hyron's skincare queen says, apply retinol to dry skin. So I've let it dry. So this also has hyaluronic acid in it as well, guys. So it's going to plump your skin with water, hopefully from the outside, because normally I would only apply anything with hyaluronic acid on my skin if my skin was damp. However, retinol you are meant to apply on dry skin, so I'm going with that. So but it's got hyaluronic acid in, which will hopefully plump my skin with water from the outside. I think I might go and sit in the bathroom or something in the bath. And then apparently, so what else has it got? So it's got hyaluronic acid, it's got the dill, which is going to regenerate the elastin, and the licorice. Also, another reason I went for this one, it hasn't got too many ingredients in. So you know, I thought, well, that's good because I know the other ingredients in it. I think another ingredient in it is vitamin E. It's got tocopherol in it, which is vitamin E. I know it's not going to affect my skin. So I recognise most of the ingredients. It's got glycerine in it. That's not going to affect my skin. I've used that before. So I just wanted to know what's doing what to my skin. So I think it's a really nice, simple, calm one. And where I've been using it sort of 3 days a week, I haven't had any type of reaction so far. Have I noticed a difference? Not yet, if I'm completely honest. But retinol, I think you have to really give it a chance. I don't think you can expect, maybe some things say that you can expect super quick results, but I think that you have to take it easy. You don't want to be applying it every night, but you should still get fairly quick results. So I will keep you updated. I've not noticed anything yet, but my skin feels fine with it. I'm just going to pop on a moisturiser I know is really good on my skin, and it's the Body Shop Vitamin E one. So yes. So anyway, I didn't say at the beginning of my video, did I? That all of my videos are based on skincare and beauty and wellness. I am also a Body Shop at Home consultant, so you will see a fair few videos talking about Body Shop products and Urban Retreat products, but everything that I always talk about is of my own opinion. So normally I would say let's just get started. However, I already did get started, so I'm just literally finishing off now with this lovely vitamin E moisturiser. Yes, so we will see how my skin reacts. Hopefully it will just start to really work on the lines and wrinkles. And I think I'm actually, because where I get my most lines and wrinkles is actually around my eyes. And you're not really meant to use a normal retinol around your eyes. So I think I'm going to invest in an eye cream or eye gel, a retinol one for around my eyes, because that's where I've got my worst lines. So, but I will let you know how I go with this. Hopefully it's going to regenerate my skin, it's going to reprogram my skin cells, and I will hopefully be super, super glowing. But anyway, I hope that was interesting. I hope it was helpful. And if you did enjoy the video, please give the video a like, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hit subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.